How to lose money with winning lottery numbers. Introduction. It is true that winning a lotto game can transform lives. Most people hope for winning lottery numbers. They hope for a lotto win to bring life-altering money. They hope their winning ticket will let them quickly repay a home mortgage or get a new home, purchase a brand new vehicle, bring on early retirement and also limitless traveling. That dream result is not always the case. I really hope a money windfall will bring excellent luck and fortune to you. However, this Brandon's blog is about how betting on winning a lotto game to erase your debt or repair all your troubles might not always hold true. The probability of having the winning lottery numbers. Winning a lotto is an unbelievable experience. The possibility of winning a lotto game are controlled by the law of probabilities. You do not need to have a PhD in mathematics to recognize that winning a lottery game is a once-in-many-lifetimes chance. The likelihood of winning a lottery game is truly a conditional probability. Your chances of winning are conditional on the number of tickets you have purchased. The selling of individual tickets and the selection of the winning lottery numbers are independent events. After that, the probability of winning a lottery is the combined event wherein your ticket matches the numbers selected. There are just two ways of raising your possibilities to win a lottery game. 1. Purchase extra tickets. 2. You and your associate engage in fraudulent behavior by having inside details on which numbers your pal can manipulate the bouncing spheres to get you the win. Religious people say that everything they obtain is a true blessing. So, I assume winning a lottery falls into that same category. So, rather than thinking about their probabilities of winning, they buy lotto tickets and put their faith a higher power. Some people claim that the opportunity of winning a lottery game is so low, it is almost like throwing your cash away. The opposite side of the coin is that people who talk about the small probability of winning a lotto are met with the argument, but what if I'm the one? Winning a lottery is not a debt elimination plan. For sure, winning a lotto will put a smile on your face. Winning a lotto may be among the best experiences in someone's life. Winning a lottery has constantly been the only opportunity for the typical individual with financial debts to get their financial freedom. Surveys show that virtually half of Canadians are counting on either receiving an inheritance or winning a lotto game for their retirement, with similar numbers showing up in various other developed nations. Some people incorrectly think winning a lotto will fix all their troubles. If you see that your desire for winning a lotto has developed into troubles in any other facets of your life, understand that you are a lottery addict. The addiction is fueled because the possibility of winning a lotto is so little and there are none of the regular small gains which persuade the habitual casino player to take their winnings and leave the table a winner that day. Chasing after the desire of winning the lottery keeps many people always coming back for more because their requirement to win has actually not been satisfied. Winning a lotto game can have both adverse as well as positive influences in your life. Winning a lotto can totally transform you. A few years ago I wrote 2 blogs on how winning a lottery can ruin a person's life as opposed to saving it. Those people actually lost money with winning lottery numbers. Worse problems from winning a lottery. Most provincial lotteries have similar rules. One common rule is the need for transparency by publishing the name and other details about the winner. This can lead to worse problems than the ones I have already mentioned. Consider this coming from the United States. One fortunate lottery winner from New Jersey might have the ability to relish all the cash from the next state lottery in secret, many thanks to a brand new regulation that went into effect just last month. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy signed a law in January that enables winners to stay confidential. Previous Governor Chris Christie vetoed the regulation, saying that it would certainly threaten the openness that provides taxpayers confidence in the honesty of the lottery game. But advocates of the regulation, which was passed unanimously this year, claimed lottery winners must be able to make their own choice on whether they want the publicity or not. New Jersey joined a handful of various other states consisting of Arizona, Delaware, Georgia as well as Kansas that permit lotto game champions to conceal their identifications if their winnings exceed a particular amount. The legislation excuses names and addresses from the state's public records, but state departments are still able to share the information internally to collect child assistance or other state social assistance overpayments. Winning the lottery can lead to great pleasures like high-end cars, holidays and homes. However, it can also attract a lot of unwanted attention. All sorts of scammers come out of the woodwork to try to get the lotto winners to separate from their money. It can also lead to unwanted attention, harassment and even physical violence. In 2016, a 20-year-old male that had won an almost $500,000 lottery game prize was killed during a home invasion robbery in Georgia. In 2010, A man that won $31 million was found buried under concrete. His good friend was found guilty of his murder. So from these examples, it is possible to lose money and more with winning lottery numbers. Summary. You can't rely on winning lottery numbers to solve your financial problems. In fact, always buying lottery tickets might lead some people to having bigger problems. Do you have too much debt? Are you banking on some outside event that you have no control over, like an inheritance or gambling winnings to save you or your company? If yes, then you need immediate help. The Smith team comprehends just how to do a debt restructuring. Much more notably, we know the demands of the business owner or the person who has too much debt. Due to the fact that you are managing these stressful financial problems, you are anxious. It is not your fault. You cannot fix this issue on your own. You have just been shown the old ways. The old ways do not work anymore. The Smith team makes use of new contemporary ways to get you out of your debt troubles while avoiding bankruptcy. We can get you debt relief now. We take a look at your whole condition and lay out a strategy that is as unique as you are. We take the load off of your shoulders as a part of the debt negotiation approach we will create just for you. We understand that individuals facing financial troubles require a lifeline. That is why we can establish a restructuring procedure for you as well as end the pain you feel. Call us now for a no-cost consultation. We will certainly get you or your business back on the road to a well-balanced and healthy life and end the pain factors in your life, starting over.